everyone. So we are back here with another project. And so can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Khoshbo Mustafa.
And I'm Lexine. We also have a third member. She's not here today, but her name is Noor. And she had to go for a family emergency, but she says hi.
Okay, that's good. And can you guys please tell me a bit about your project?
So our project is about the effect of secondhand smoke on plant growth.
Also, phytohormone intervention. So basically, the whole project is about the effect of smoking on plants, and we kind of found out that it actually reduces plants' growth rate. But we also wanted to try and see a possible solution, and that's where the phytohormones come in. That's basically like chemicals the plants make, and supposedly supposed to help reverse the damage. Yeah.
Okay, that's really cool. And did you guys encounter any difficulties during your project?
The main difficulty was our chemicals didn't arrive at the time, so our project didn't complete late. So yeah, this part was the difficult part to get the chemicals.
I get it. And if you guys had any advice for anyone that wants to participate next year to the national contest, what would you say?
I would say don't leave everything to last minute, because that's what we did, and then we started having problems with the chemicals and everything, and then we kind of had to rush everything in the end. But if you really want to do a science project, try to start on time, start early, think about it, and then go step by step, not rushing it. Yeah, that's all I'd say.
Yeah. And so do you think you will be participating next year again?
Of course, we are going to participate next year also, and we are going to continue our projects.
Okay. And what about you?
Yes, I think we would, because we were given feedback on everything we did, and we hope to make it better next year with a much more relaxed space. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So we hope to see you again next year. And yeah.